Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show you an eyeshadow look that I wore to work a couple days ago. I got a lot of compliments on it, and it was actually really easy. Using the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. Gonna rip up the box. Gonna rip the box. It looks like this. I do have a first impressions video using this palette, which I will link right here. And if you're interested in seeing the look that I create, then just keep watching. I realize we're in a bit of a different setup today. I took down my bookshelf yesterday and everything is kind of messy. So we're just gonna roll with it. Priming my eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Or eye primer, whatever the hell it is. Anyway, it's just the original formula. If you hear things in the background, I'm watching the Game Grumps as I'm doing this because the Game Grumps make me happy, and I have been feeling very sad today. So, suck it, I guess. I'm gonna take the shade Weekender on this fluffy blending brush by BH Cosmetics. And mostly gonna concentrate this in the crease, but then also gonna blend it to cover the whole lid. Next is the shade Riff. Same brush. I do not want to go to work today, so I'm trying to motivate myself by doing an eyeshadow tutorial. I want to go home and go to sleep. I say as I am home. I'm just tired. I was gonna take a nap and then I didn't. I watched the Game Grumps instead. Watched the, episodes that I've already seen because it's just another coping mechanism for me. I like that I whistle the death chime in Mario when you hit like a spike or you fall off the edge. It's because I watched the Game Grumps so much and yeah, they die a lot. Going to grab the shade Baja. This really orangey, brick orangey color. Same brush. Na 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 na. Next, I'm going to take the shade Accelerate on this flat brush from BH Cosmetics. Sometimes I think maybe I need to get a different eyeshadow packing brush, because maybe this one's just not doing what I need and I don't know what else to use. There we go. Getting a lot of fallout right here, so we're gonna have to wipe that off. That's why we do our eyes before we do our foundation, just in case that happens. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the same on a finger, make sure I get it right along that lash line right there. Like that. Taking that same blending brush just to blend it all together. And then I'm going to take the shade Ignite right in the center of the eyelid. Just the tiniest amount of smog on my tiniest finger. I'm just gonna pat that out and blend it into the other shadows. To highlight the brow bone, I'm going to take this color from the Sofx Revolution highlighting palette. And then blending all of that together so there's no harsh lines and it's just a really gradual gradient up to the eyebrow. Going to take the Mary Luminizer from the Balm and put that right at the arch. Little 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional highlight. Something like that. I'm gonna go wipe off all this fallout, put on my foundation, concealer, that kind of thing. And then I'll be back for the under eye, and then I got time for eyeliner today, so then I'll do some eyeliner too. So, I'll be back. Okay, so I got my foundation and my concealer on. I'm just gonna wipe off the ColourPop No Filter powder that I've had setting my under eye. On this ColourPop E2 brush, I'm going to take Riff. I'm going to take Baja as well. I'm going to stick my finger in the one below it. I'm going to take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. This is in the shade Milk. I'm just going to put that in the lower waterline. Just to give off the false impression that I'm actually awake today. And then I also grabbed one in black. After I saw how great the white one was, I wanted to grab one in black. Put that in the tight line. This is hard. I've never actually done this successfully before. The black on top and the white on the bottom might have been a mistake because it's transferring when I blink. Gonna line my eyes using this Essence eyeliner pen. This is a waterproof formula. It's a pretty good waterproof formula. Actually, I'm not gonna do this on camera. I'm not steady enough. Okay, or I can stab myself in the eye. I'm doing great, you guys. Ugh. You would think, after doing mascara almost every day for 12 years maybe, that I would screw it up less often. Alright guys, that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sorry that I don't know if you guys are going to see any of the negative comments that I was making. It's been a rough kind of day, but I gotta go to work. If you guys like this kind of video, be sure and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up just to let me know if this is quality content, I guess. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!